Hi, my name is Soumya Anand and I am a PGP student at IIM Tiruchirappalli. Today I am going to talk about how the budget 2021 failed to give priority to boosting jobs. The budget 2021, which was announced amidst much anticipation, focused on health as one of its key pillars. But the question is it a good budget? On analyzing properly, we can see that there is no proper expenditure to address the key problems of declining employment, especially of women, and unstable livelihoods. Since 1991 economic reforms, India's unemployment rate had stayed mostly constant throughout the years, but it has been the highest since the last 45 years in April 2020, when more than 113 million workers were rendered jobless as a result of the sudden and severe lockdown. Women's employment declined by 2.7 million between November and December, compared to a decline of 2 million for men. The need of the hour would be to increase allocations on various schemes like Manrega or PM Kisan for rural development, as it provides some support for the rural unemployed workers. This can help in reviving the demand also, because more than 65% of people live in rural India and they spend the most of their incomes on wide varieties of goods and services. Yet, there was no increase in expenditure on such important schemes in the budget of 2021. In the medium term, rural unemployment can be reduced through enhanced government spending on irrigation, rural roads, cold storage, and logistical chains, crucial for integrating farms with mandis. These facilities, along with an extensive crop insurance, can drastically raise agricultural productivity and income. An announcement in the budget should also be made to increase the currently pitifully low minimum wage for ASHA, Anganwadi, and A&M workers. This would have been excellent and much needed tribute to the magnificent role played by frontline health workers who worked long hours under hazardous and difficult conditions, risking personal attacks due to the stigma associated with COVID 19. Talking about urban India, declining in construction and related activities is a serious concern. These activities employ more than 5 crore people. Thus, the budget should aim to revive construction activities in real estate and infrastructure sectors, because these sectors directly or indirectly support economic activities in another 200 odd sectors. Also, the budget can incentivize companies and industrial units to provide internship and on-site vocational training to unemployed youth. This experience can be combined with distance education to teach the trainees relevant theories and concepts. In the interim, the government should fill the large number of vacant posts. It is estimated that there are more than 22 lakh vacancies in government departments. The country cannot afford this neglect at a time when the unemployment rates remain very high. Thus, implementing innovative and necessary measures is the need of the hour, as solving the unemployment crisis will also play a huge role in reviving the Indian economy. Thank you.